Hello everyone, this is a short video on my Leatherman Squirt Ps4 multi-tool. Multi-tool came in this packaging from Leatherman. It has 9 tools. It has Leatherman's 25-year warranty, spring action pliers, 5 outside accessible tools, and it is in a handy keychain size. The tool is made in Oregon, USA. It has spring action Needlenose pliers, spring action regular pliers, and spring action wire cutters. It has a 420 high carbon stainless steel knife, scissors, medium screwdriver, a flat Phillips screwdriver, a wood metal file, bottle opener, a key ring attachment. Has a 100% stainless steel body, anodized aluminum handle scales. The closed length is 2.25 inches and it weighs 2 ounces. This is the tool. The knife has a 1.6 inch blade. It has the nail notch. It is a clip point design. And it has a full flat grind. This is the metal and wood file. Has a nail notch. These are the scissors. They are spring action scissors. And it also has a nail notch. This is the bottle opener with a medium-sized flathead screwdriver and with the nail notch. This is a small Phillips head screwdriver and also flathead screwdriver with the nail notch. And these are the spring action needle nose, regular, and wire cutters. And this is a key ring attachment. It's a very handy tool. I keep it in my pocket, not attached. It's a little too heavy for my keychain. But it's very small and very handy tool to have. And it's the Leatherman Squirt Ps4. Thanks for watching everyone. Please like and subscribe.